Hey there, today we're diving into something super exciting, the Aldi blind box. Have you ever wondered what surprises could be hiding inside? Well, Aldi has jumped on the unboxing trend, bringing us a delightful experience right from the grocery store. Imagine opening a box packed with trendy food items, all curated just for you. It's like a treasure hunt, but in your pantry. Each box promises a mix of snacks, proteins, fibers, and even a mystery surprise, so get ready as we explore what makes these blind boxes so special. You won't want to miss this. Let's talk about what you can expect inside these Aldi blind boxes. There are 4 themes to choose from: snacks, fiber, protein, and of course, the mystery box. Each theme is designed to cater to different cravings and dietary needs. For snack lovers, expect a mix that's perfect for grazing or a cozy movie night. The fiber and protein boxes focus on health trends, providing items that are both nutritious and delicious. And then there's the mystery box, filled with surprises that could be anything from unique snacks to popular staples. It's all about discovery and excitement. Every box is a new adventure. Now, you might be wondering, how can you get your hands on these blind boxes? Aldi is making it easy. From June 22nd to June 25th, a new box will be released each day. You simply visit their designated website, sign up for your chosen theme, and enter your shipping details. But remember, it's first come, first served, so you'll want to act fast. Aldi is also using their Instagram account to reveal which theme drops each day, so make sure to keep an eye on their posts. Who knows, you might snag something really cool. Unboxing isn't just about the items inside, it's about the thrill of discovery. Aldi's blind box taps into that excitement. It's a fun way to experience grocery shopping, and it encourages customers to try new products. You might find your next favorite snack or a healthy item you never knew existed. Plus, with Aldi's clever marketing, they are creating buzz on social media. It's all about fostering a community of eager shoppers. So, whether you're a foodie or just love surprises, these blind boxes are definitely worth checking out. In conclusion, the Aldi Blind Box is a fantastic initiative that blends the joy of unboxing with grocery shopping. It's a creative way for Aldi to engage with customers while also promoting popular food trends. Remember, it's all about discovering new favorites and having fun along the way. So, are you ready to dive into the adventure? Don't miss out on this opportunity to explore unique flavors and products. Who knows what delightful surprises await you? Happy unboxing and enjoy the journey.